Lish. Welcome to my kitchen. Today's video is all about Home Chef. No, it's not. Yes, it is. No, it's not. Who did I order from? Today's video is all about HelloFresh. I've used their services before. It's been a while, and I received an email with some sort of deal of getting like the first box, 30 bucks or 40 bucks if I come back, something like that. So I was like, yeah, let me get back into it. So I ordered 3 meals, 4 servings each. It's just me, myself, and I that's gonna be eating them. But I oftentimes feel like I eat 1 to 2 servings at a time. So this week we got creamy lemon spinach ricotta ravioli with bell peppers and Parmesan. This is what it looks like if you can focus. Focus on me. A sesame soy beef bowl with jasmine rice, sriracha mayo, and crispy fried onions. Here we go. And I'm not much of a mayo girl, but if you can disguise it, I'll eat it, you know what I'm saying? The third one is one that I'm 100% sure I've had before that has changed the name. So it's this bacon jalapeno mac and cheese with crispy panko topping. I've definitely had this before and it was bomb. Let me show you what it used to be called. This was the original HelloFresh recipe I got for the mac and cheese. Before it was called jalapeno business bacon mac and cheese. I kid you not, look, it's printed right there. Focus. See, jalapeno business. And now they're just calling it bacon jalapeno. I'm excited. So we're actually gonna start off today by making the creamy lemon spinach ricotta ravioli. So let's get started. The thing I like about HelloFresh is they do package each meal primarily, for the most part, like separately. So this just says lemon spinach ravioli and it's closed, and this basically has everything I need except for the ravioli itself, which comes prepackaged. So yeah. We got 2 red bell peppers in prime condition, I must say. We also got 2 tomatoes, and lemon, some garlic. Personally, this is not enough garlic for me. I have some garlic in the fridge that I'm gonna add just because I like to add a lot of garlic to things. But they gave me like 2 cloves worth of garlic. 2 cream cheese packets. 2 Parmesan packets. Vegetable juice concentrates. Okay, interesting. 2 of those. 2 things of sour cream. 2 containers of the spinach and ricotta ravioli. Step 1, wash and chop up all of the produce. Heat this for 400 degrees. Make sure nothing's already in there. Bring a large pot of salted water to boil. Okay, let's do all of that. So we're gonna go with this pot. Put some salt, some pepper. Maybe some Italian seasoning, that sounds good. I'll take my onion salt too. I put quite a lot of water in here. They didn't really give me an amount. So this is what we're working with. It's pretty full, so it should be good. Okay, it's enough salt. Ooh, a little on the top still. Cut tomatoes into 6 wedges. Peel and thinly slice garlic. Okay. Little thing of olive oil, and we're really just gonna drizzle it like this. That's probably way more than I needed, but yeah. Season with salt and pepper. Okay. Pepper. We're gonna add some pepper on here. Ooh, too much pepper. Oh well. Tastes interesting. Okay. And we're off. This is close to boiling. Let me hurry up and finish with my vegetables. Instead of slicing the garlic, I'm gonna mash it because that's just what I do. This thing I always use to mash garlic. So I'm gonna use this. And as far as the lemon, instead of quartering it, I'm just gonna juice it. That way the lemon juice is ready and available. So. Here's all the garlic I'm gonna be using. They only gave me 2 cloves, like I said, so I added 3 more. Okay, so I'm gonna put 4.5 minutes because that's what's between 4 and 5. I'm gonna use the timer up here. All right, we got some pasta cooking. We got 12 minutes left on the veggies and 4 minutes on the pasta. So I'm gonna check back in with you in 12 minutes when bell peppers and tomatoes are done, and we can go ahead and make the sauce. Okay. That's what we working with, y'all. Let's get on to this sauce business. So we're gonna start with some oil and some garlic in this pan for 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. A little bit. Okay. Make sure the garlic is, yeah. All right, look at the next step before I end up burning this garlic. Next, we're gonna add the cream cheese, sour cream, half the Parmesan, the vegetable stock concentrate, and then half a cup of the pasta water. I need a tablespoon of butter. I didn't read this thoroughly before starting, but I do have butter. So that this isn't burned, because it's already kind of burning, I'm gonna go ahead and add the water, the half cup of water. Okay. I'm gonna add the Parmesan. Get up in there, I don't got time for this. All right, vegetable concentrate, we're gonna add that up in there. Ooh, I did not expect it to be that color for some reason. I'm gonna stir it up a little bit so nothing sticks to the bottom of the pan. Because things are already looking like they're getting stuck. I don't like that. And one of the cream cheeses went in. Stir that up a little bit more. Again, I'm not trying to get anything stuck to this pan, okay? I'm gonna turn this down a little bit because I feel like it's doing a lot. Sour cream, this one. Okay. Let me stir it up again. Tablespoons. I'm gonna take it right on over here. Ooh. And I'm gonna get a whisk because we need to start whisking this. It's looking crazy. Okay, so yeah, we need to whisk this around. Hopefully this is okay to whisk hot stuff. I don't know. We won't find out though, I guess. Hopefully you don't know. Yeah, so if you're making this, one tip I could say is stir often, because this is not giving me a break. I'm gonna put it down to the simmer level. I'm gonna put the heat up a little bit more and figure out what to do next. Now that we have these veggies in here, things are not burning. We don't want that. Add a squeeze of lemon to taste, and then season with salt and pepper. So we're gonna add some pepper. Preferably, I like to use cayenne. A little goes a long way, so don't add a lot of this, but if you're looking for a kick, this will do it. This will do it. Some cayenne pepper, just a little bit. I'm gonna add my onion salt. I got this from Trader Joe's. There's like a certain sweetness to it that I think is coming from the coming from the vegetables. Now I'm gonna add back my ravioli. Pour it in here. Ooh, okay. That look a little crazy. Let's separate these ravioli pieces. And I'm gonna top this with the rest of the Parmesan too. So first a little bit more spice, cayenne pepper. Ooh, ooh. That should be plenty. Maybe a little swig of olive oil. All right, let me stir that up. Okay. Cool, 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 cool. I can go for a little bit more lemon and a little bit more cheese, to be honest. I already used all the Parmesan they gave me. So I'm gonna still have some in the fridge. I'm a cheese girl, I've always loved cheese. So yeah, we're gonna put some Parmesan on there. Let me get a plate together and let's taste this and see how it is. I almost forgot I wanted to add some Italian seasoning too. I'm gonna add a little bit of that. Just a sprinkle. Give it a little color. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. And finally, sit down and eat. That's really good. That was a bell pepper, and it's fire. Oh my goodness. This is so good. This tastes like something I would have in a restaurant. Like it is that good. I'm trying to eat properly for y'all, otherwise I'd be like 10 out of 10, because there's nothing wrong with this dish. 10 out of 10. I highly recommend getting the 4 servings, because as you could see, like the 4 servings, it did not fill up the pan. Maybe like a third, closer to a third. But definitely for me, it's not 4 servings.